If you're a college student and you're looking for extra ways to make cash, then keep watching because this video is for you. I'll be showing you 2 ways that, when used together, will allow you to make up to $1,000 a week. But before we get started, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can get alerted and stay up to date whenever I post new videos. And also, don't forget to smash that like button if any point in this video you find it useful. Okay, let's not waste any more time and jump straight into the video. The first site we'll be taking a look at is Shake.com. As you can see, this site is geared towards helping college students with various things like books, study, and internships. We won't be focusing on any of that stuff. Instead, we'll be scrolling down to the bottom of the page and we'll be focusing on this link right here where it says Become a Tutor. The way you'll be making money is by becoming an online tutor. Online tutors for this site, as you can see, start around $20 an hour, which isn't bad. This site is flexible. You can access Shake from a computer or their mobile app. You choose what you specialize in and they bring the students to you. You can do this from anywhere as long as you have a steady internet connection and they pay out weekly. This is a pretty good deal in my opinion, and as you can see, they have a few testimonials from actual tutors. Now, usually I don't pay too much attention to testimonials, but these are pretty legit. They give you the tutor's name, the school they went to, what they specialize in, and how many positive reviews they've gotten. Again, that's pretty legit if you ask me. But let's move on to how you can actually get started. So there are 2 things you need to get started. If you're a college student, you will need to take a small test and also provide proof that you actually have time in your selected subject. This may seem a bit much, but this is their way of protecting students from scammers who may be out just looking for a quick buck. Now, if you're not a student, you can still be a tutor, but you do need to have some experience teaching and you do have to have teacher certifications. So if you fit that billet, then I would go ahead and try to sign up for this site as well. Now, another site similar to Shake that I want to show you is Preply.com. You'll be tutoring on this site, but it won't be subject-based. You'll actually be tutoring people in speaking different languages. Here's a list of all the different languages. So, if you're fluent in any of these, you should definitely check this site out. Just like with Shake, you pick the specialty, which in this case would be your language, and they find the students for you. This one is a little bit more flexible when it comes to pay. You basically set the pay rate per hour. Just like with Shake, you can do this from anywhere as long as you have a steady internet connection, and they also have a mobile app as well. Now, just like with Shake, when you apply, they will test you to make sure that you are legit. But you don't need to have any type of teacher certifications. That's a positive. And you don't need to be a college student either. Again, they just want to make sure that you're fluent in the language that you're speaking. And that's about it. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did and found it useful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this out with anybody who you think will find this video useful. Links for everything talked about today will be down in the description box below. Also, you'll find a link to my #1 recommended way to make money online. This is what I use to take care of me and my family, so be sure to check it out as well. Alright, that's all I got. See you in the next video. Take care.